Hi, Yuan. Hello there. Thanks for following me. Nakagising ko lang. Guys, I just woke up. Nag-live na ako. Ay! Ronnie! Thank you, Ronnie, my friend. There you are. It's evening there. I am from the Philippines, Yuan. Thank you, Ronnie. Ay, bago lang pala. Hi, Rich. Shout out to our 20 viewers, guys. Hindi, okay lang, Miss Iya. Thank you, ha. Thank you po. Ingat po dyan. Okay. Arigato. Okay. Sayonara. Dati ako nag-work dyan sa Japan, sa Omise. Joke lang. Opo, thank you po. Ilog na lang po ang maganda sa akin. Ayan na. Hi, Harry. Okay na po, na-follow back na po. Hi, J-Fan. Hello. Good morning, guys. Big chat. Yo, tarik. Hi, Dr. G. Welcome. Nobody. Hi there. Good morning. Doc, good morning po. Doc po. Yes po, tapos po ang breakfast. Hi, Raja. I'm good. Okay, US. Yeah, so it's good evening there. Yeah, I think 12 hours difference. Canada. Ilang hours ba? 7 hours? 8, something like that. Okay, that's nice po. Ano yun, Doc? I mean, vacation sa Philippines or 12 hours difference? Same like US. So it's 7:50 p.m. there right now. Okay, Doc. Ah, okay, that's nice. Ito pa si Doc, pabakasyon sa Canada. Ako ito, bakasyon sa init. Good morning, Pablo. Hi, Zach!